I love this song. Like, this is such a good song. In this lesson, I'm going to show you like exactly how to play a bunch of cool rap chords. So just if you just want to rap it and you just want to play the chords, you don't want to play any funky melodies, then you could play it something like this. Let's just put this view up here. So you could do like... bunch of ways. The melody that repeats throughout the song is played here. Now the original is in E flat, so if you want to play with the original, you got to tune down your guitar a half step. But if you want to just jam it with standard tuning, you can. It's just everything's going to be, it's not going to work with the original, but it will still be cool. So, yeah, it's quite cool. Let me show you that. I will do a full lesson of this song if you guys want to, like a step by step. I'm just showing you a couple of ideas from the song. And there's like a G6. What a beautiful chord. So if you play these chords up here, it's going to sound something like this. The chords are E minor, E minor, F sharp diminished, G6, again F sharp diminished, but the first inversion, and then B7, but the B7 is only the second time they do the loop, so it's B7 you can play there or there. So so nice. So you could do oh, ba, 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 those chords. It's just such a nice chords to add to your repertoire. So this is just like a video of me jamming out, and this is not, it's not kind of a tutorial, so it's just kind of me jamming out. There is a tutorial already of this song, I think, online. The one in E flat will be here. So you could do a very basic version if you're in the key view minor going something. But that doesn't sound as cool as this. Oh wait. It's got those. The one part of the cellos is doing boom. So that's kind of what the different instruments, and then the other instruments doing. And then together it sounds like this. Oh wait. It's actually a good song to do with a loop, where you kind of loop all the parts. I should do that probably. That would be a good idea. Anyway, we'll talk again, guys. Cheers, have a nice day.